You can see the views, beautiful photos of my workshops which I have conducted in different parts of India. I have done this training program in corporate schools, colleges, universities, Mysore University, Mumbai University, Delhi College of Engineering, Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kochi, Trivandrum, Calicut. If you mention any state, I have covered 28 states in India, 105 cities. We're training more than 15,800 plus students. I have addressed more than 1.5 lakh students. I give my seminars and workshops for different students from 10 years and above. Students from different backgrounds, professionals, doctors, engineers, chartered accountants, doctors. They participated in my workshop, my flagship program, Creative Memory and Speed Calculation Workshop. And students have developed amazing memory power. They have applied these techniques and skills for preparing for exams, for their studying, and they have come out with flying colors. They have scored more than 95% in their examinations. Yes, even you can participate, you can come. Hello friends. Hi, my name is Rakesh Mohan. I'm a director of an organization called Mind Masters International, Mysore City, Karnataka State, India. I'm memory trainer, speed mathematics expert, motivational speaker, and life coach. I'm going to conduct an amazing workshop for students and professionals how to develop superpower memory and become expert in speed mathematics. Since last 21 years, I have been conducting this workshop throughout India, from Jammu and Kashmir to Chennai, and from Mumbai to Dibrugarh, Assam. I have traveled 18 states and covered 105 cities throughout India, Middle East, Singapore and Malaysia. And this is a COVID-19 situation, lockdown, and we are not able to travel to your place, neither you can come to my place to take up the training program. So I have organized an online Zoom workshop for students so they can participate from Zoom online, sitting at the comfort of your home. You can participate in my workshop, and I'm going to teach you, train you, guide you how to develop your memory power. Okay, now I just want to tell you what is the benefit of developing your memory power for my training program. If you participate in my online workshop, I'm going to teach you how to improve your memory step by step, scientifically. I'll teach you how to remember words, difficult words, complex words, scientific words, technical words. Then we'll go how to remember sentences, definitions, long sentences, long difficult comprehensions. Then we'll go to how to remember short theories, long answers and long essays. Once you know how to do this, I'll show you how to memorize a whole chapter from a textbook. Once you know how to memorize a whole chapter from a textbook by using a technique of concept mapping and keynoting, then I'll show you how to memorize a whole textbook. For example, you have got 15 chapters in a science textbook. I'll show you how to memorize the 15 chapters of science textbook by using mind mapping, concept mapping, memory filing system and keynoting method. So this is how we start students, from learning how to remember simple words to memorizing a whole textbook. Not only we're going to end here, I'm going to show you how to memorize a whole Oxford dictionary. You can learn English words from dictionary. You can learn 100 words in 1 hour. That means if you spend 1 hour per day, you can learn 100 words. Imagine how many words you have learned in 30 days. 3,000 words. How many words you have learned in 1 year? 30,000 words. Imagine your vocabulary, how rich it will be. Then not only we are going to end here, I'm going to show you how to memorize a complete general knowledge book. Inventors and inventions, discoverers, prime ministers, chief ministers, governors, chief justices, sports, current affairs, any information you want to memorize from a general knowledge book, I'm going to show you how to memorize that. Okay, then I'll show you how to learn foreign language. If you want to learn French, Spanish, German or Italian, I'll show you how to remember the words, phrases and tenses, how to speak fluently foreign language. Then I'll show you how to remember and memorize a speech and give an excellent, successful speech in front of an audience of 100 members, 500 members or 1,000 members. How to present yourself. Okay, not only we're going to show it here, if you're a student, in the future you have to face some interviews. I'll show you how to participate in interviews like IAS interviews, IIM interviews, group discussions. Okay, then you come to an amazing technique how to memorize 100-digit numbers in just 1 minute. And I'll show you how to memorize 200 words in just 5 minutes. So dear students, once we complete the memory training techniques, then I'll show you how to study smarter, how to study, when to study, where to study, which technique have you used to study, how to revise systematically, how to revise faster, how to revise one chapter in 20 minutes, how to revise one full subject in 3 to 4 hours. Once you know the technique of studying skill, then we'll go to teaching you how to read faster. Usually we read around only 80 to 100 words in 1 minute. But if you attend my online workshop, I'm going to show you how to read one book in 1 day. That means you can read 30 books in 30 days of a novels or self-development books. I'll show you how to read minimum of 600 to 800 words in just 1 minute. Okay, now we have come to speed reading. Then I'll show you. We'll go to speed calculation. Mathematics is called the queen of all sciences, and in mathematics I'm going to teach you from simple techniques to complex advanced calculation techniques, how to do additions faster, how to do subtractions faster, multiplications, divisions, fractions, percentages, squarings, square root, cubing, cube root, fifth roots, HCF, LCM, all the step by step you'll be able to do calculations in your mind. And one more excellent technique I'm going to teach you is I'm the inventor of infinite mental calendar. If you ask me any date of any century, I'll tell you which day it comes. I'm going to teach you 0 to infinite calendar. After attending the workshop, you will be able to tell any day of any date of any century of billion year calendar. So, dear participants, why and what are you waiting for? Don't wait. Attend my practical, online and scientific successful workshop. After completing the workshop, I bet you are going to enjoy an amazing memory power. Remember, there is nothing called a good memory or a bad memory. Either your memory is trained or untrained. If you train your memory, you can recall any information, whether in exams, you're writing a paper, competitive exams, a speech, a meetings or presentations. It's all about how to recall the right information at the right time. Just learn and train your memory in my online workshop. So when this workshop is, are you interested? Are you feeling excited? Are you curious? Yes. 1,500 students have just participated in last 2.5 months in my 6 batches of online workshop. They have come from Uttar Pradesh to Chennai, and from Kerala to Gujarat up to Assam, from Singapore, from Malaysia, from Sri Lanka, from Australia, from UK, from Italy, United States. They are participants from different parts of the world. Fine? And if you're interested, you can join my 7th batch of Zoom online workshop on how to develop superpower memory and become expert in speed mathematics. This coming July 5th, 2020 till July 15th, 2020. 5th July, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th and 15th. Totally 11 days of workshop, daily 2 hours, evening 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time. This is the timing and dates. I repeat the dates and timings once again. July 5th, 2020 to July 15th, 2020, evening 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. in Zoom online workshop. Now, how to join for my workshop? I'm going to give you details in the link below. But remember, you can join my workshop. You can just see the phone number below your screen. In that screen, just send a WhatsApp number, WhatsApp your number, or type your name, or you can call me and you can register for the workshop. And for this, you have to make a one-time, lifetime investment, a nominal amount, a lifetime investment, the fees for the workshop. Usually, when I conduct open public workshop, students from different parts of India participate in my program in Bangalore. I charge 15,000 rupees per each student. But here, we are not going to spend anything for conference halls, no food, no snacks, no materials, no travel, nothing. You are sitting in the comfort of your home. I am sitting at the comfort of my office. I will be doing online workshop. With one fees, all the family members, if they are interested, they can come and learn the workshop. If there are 3 members, 5 members, 10 members in the family, they can come and attend the workshop with one fees. How much fees you are going to pay? Is it 15,000? No. Is it 10,000? No. Is it 5,000? No. Because this is an online workshop, I am just charging a very nominal fees of 1,499 rupees. 1,499 rupees, a lifetime investment. So what you are going to get back? The fees you pay, you will get live online session, daily 2 hours for 10 days, totally 22 hours workshop, and every session after the program is completed, I'll send you videos of each class session. You can watch the videos any number of times. You will receive audios of specific motivational topics every day. You'll receive PDF materials every day, and you'll receive worksheets and activity sheets to your WhatsApp group and as well as to your Telegram group. So once you join for the program, I will add your name to my WhatsApp group and Telegram group. You will receive the material, you can take the material, you can watch the material any number of times you like. Fine? So why and what you are waiting for? Don't waste your time. Come join, call me or WhatsApp me. 97397 69050 is my cell number. Type your name and WhatsApp me or call me and join for the workshop. How to pay? Very simple. You can send to online payment. I'll give you my account number. You can make an online transfer. Once you pay the amount, send me the screenshot of the amount to my mobile. I'll add you to my main WhatsApp group and immediately start receiving the materials. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.